Hey guys, this is Zayad, AUSA Rentals in West Chicago. Today I want to show you a couple of machines we have for rent and compare the two machines, let you know what's the difference between them, what we like, what we do not like about the machines, the mini skid steers. So first here we have the Bobcat MT100. It's a very popular machine. Everybody knows that. It's been around for a while. Here we have the Vermeer 925, also a popular machine for the tree service guys, the landscapers. They pretty know a lot about them. So I want to talk about the differences between the two machines. First of all, the engine, the horsepower on the MT100 is 26 horsepower, while the Vermeer we have 40 horsepower. So the Vermeer will be faster if you're looking to move fast as a landscaper or in construction. The second thing that I want to point out the difference between them, the MT100 has one connection for the attachments, while the Vermeer has two, has one for high flow and has one for regular flow. So that's an advantage if you have high flow attachments or one of them breaks down, you want to use another one. That's an advantage. Another thing, a difference between the two, this one has a diesel tank of 7 gallons. This one can take up to 13 gallons. So the Vermeer also has a bigger capacity, so it's faster, bigger capacity. Now, as far as repairs and maintenance, I would say the MT100 is much easier access to the engine than the Vermeer. The Vermeer, everything is hidden. As far as the tracks quality, I would say the Vermeer tracks are better than the MT100 tracks because they wear out very quickly. So the conclusion about the two machines, they're both really good machines and they've been renting out very well. If you're into construction and you need to use a breaker, forks into concrete and all that, I would go for the MT100. And if you're a landscaper, tree service guy, I would go for the Vermeer machine. It's just suited better for that kind of work. So they're both good machines, and you can order both of these machines on our website, ausarentals.com. We deliver anywhere in Chicago in less than 2 hours. Our prices are very competitive. Our machines are brand new. Give us a try. Call us at 312-646-9336 or check out our website, ausarentals.com.